With the noble intention of human welfare, ICNA Relief continues to carry out welfare activities all across America. Carrying on with the deed, ICNA Relief had opened the doors of another shelter home for the indigent and penniless women of New York, which was inaugurated by the Pakistani Consul General Aisha Ali and Dr. Batul Hussaini. The inauguration ceremony was attended by the Public Advocate of New York, Mr. Jumani Williams, Chief Executive of ICNA Relief USA, Mr. Maqsood Ahmed, ICNA's representative, Mr. Mawiz Asad Siddiqui, members relating to various organizations, along with a large number of people belonging to the Pakistani community. Post the inception ceremony, the attendees were taken for a visit of the newly established shelter home, which was followed by a public briefing. In his statement, Maqsood Ahmed expressed gratitude towards the people for supporting them, as they promised to now be helping over 25,000 people every month.
Around the country, serving 25,000 people every month, not every year. With 6 programs we have. Transitional housing is one of our programs, and Sister Madka mentioned that we have 19 houses around the country. We have 33 food pantries, and our food pantry concept is very different. Like through our food pantries, we are serving these people not only just the food for their family for 1 week to 2 weeks. Rather, we provide counseling to them. We help them find jobs and become self-sufficient. We have health services. We have 7 clinics and 4 mobile clinics. End of September, we have 200 health fairs around the country. Our mobile clinic from disasters, any needed area, working with different churches, Islamic centers in needy areas.
On this occasion, Malika McDonald's, the National Director of the ICNA Relief Transition House, stated that ICNA Relief Shelter House does not only provide a roof for the women in despair, but also provide them with quality counseling to get their lives financially back on track, while nourishing their mental and physical condition.
We found as many women will transition from one shelter to the next shelter to the next shelter and never gaining stability. The difference with the ICNA Relief Transitional Homes is that we work with women holistically, from counseling to extensive case management, to skills development, supporting these women and empowering them and giving them a longer length of stay. So inshallah, when they leave our facilities, that they're going into their own permanent, stable, affordable housing, inshallah.
In his address to the ceremony, the Public Advocate of New York, Jumani Williams, stated that ICNA's effort for human welfare has been exemplary.
My distinct pleasure to be here with ICNA, to be here with people who are providing services that other people aren't providing, and there's nothing more important than women and children and our family in society. So as Public Advocate, I wanted to make sure I was here to celebrate with you, whatever I can continue to do to support ICNA, and I was hearing so much of what's being done.
Pakistani Consul General in New York, Aisha Ali, praised ICNA Relief for the initiation of another shelter home. She stated that this would help a number of women in order to rebuild their lives.
The opening of this transit house, I think, is another milestone for ICNA Relief USA. It has been in the lead in providing shelter to homeless Muslim women and their families. The shelters not only provide a temporary residence, but also the means to these women and these families to rebuild their lives.
The inauguration of the shelter house means that there are now 19 ICNA Relief shelter houses functioning in different states of America. Towards the end of the event, Dr. Batul Hussaini and the Islamic Center of Long Island were given awards for their coordination and contribution in ICNA's noble goals.